All right, guys, welcome back to video 4, tools, how you can make $100 to $200 simply by just sending out emails every day. So it's very simple. All right, in the tools section, guys, this is a very short video, but it's very packed full of information. So you want to get a pen and paper and write this stuff down because it's going to be critical for you to take this information and go take action at the end here. And at the end of this video, I'll have a special bonus for you, so make sure you stay to the end. Okay, so tools. What you need in order to make this thing all work, and you're going to find it's relatively simple. You're going to need affiliate offers. For example, number 1, ClickBank. There's going to be 2, JVZoo, and number 3, Warrior Plus. Now, ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. I think I even may have that spelled correctly, but that's okay. I'll make sure down the link below this video that you have the correct link to Warrior Plus and plus JVZoo and ClickBank. These are the places where you're going to find offers. It doesn't matter what it is, you're going to find it for almost any niche out there. It could be for the health niche, it can be for the wealth niche, it can be for relationship. I can't even spit it out. I'm so excited. But it doesn't matter what it is. If it's woodworking, if it's sewing, or whatever your niche is, if it's culinary, it doesn't matter. You can actually find products out there that you can promote, and you can actually make not just a couple percentages, but you can make 50% of the commission, even up to 70 to 100% commission on some of them. So some of them even $1,000 or $2,000, and you could make $1,500 or $500 just on one sale. So that's how easy it is that you get these things all set up, and you've got all these people that are building all these tools out there to help people succeed online. And they are good tools, and there's some bad tools. So you have to just go through them and pick the ones. Now, little key here, you're going to want to buy these tools. Now, you're going to say, why am I going to want to buy them? Because you're going to have to be able to make sure that they're a good tool. And you want to use them and make sure that they're good and that you can promote them to your customers, because you don't want to promote bad stuff. You want quality, good product to be promoting to your customers. All right, so number 2. Let's see here. Let me hit the right buttons. Sending emails, autoresponders. Well, this is key. Now you can develop your own autoresponder. I highly don't recommend it. It's a lot of work and it's a lot of systems, and you're going to be taking all your time trying to manage an autoresponder. And let me tell you, there's lots of tools out there. I currently use ConvertKit. I really like ConvertKit, and all my training and everything I do is through ConvertKit, and I'm going to have that link below. There's also other ones that are like Aweber or GetResponse. There's a bunch of them out there, guys. So there's no big deal of doing autoresponders. Now, it's not that hard to connect your autoresponder to your website or to your funnel, whatever you're doing to promote your product to your customer, which will capture the email, and then that email you can resend and continue making money from those customers every day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So that's how you do that, with how you can make $100 to $200, even more per day, doing email marketing through affiliate marketing. Okay, so now the next one is creating a website or not. Now, I highly suggest you do create a website, but you don't actually have to have a website to make this work. You can do all this through social media, is posting on groups and in your page and within social media itself. Now, remember, I talk about value and I talk about respect for people. Posting on groups is considered spamming, so I would not do that if I was you. There are better ways to actually get traffic and do that. You could still promote and do a few here and there, but I wouldn't make that your full-time strategy in order to make money online long term. Okay, really you need to have a solid website where you build it. So if it's in the health niche, you're going to want to build a domain in your website related to that product, so you can have videos and images and product, all that related. So when somebody looks at you, they look at your website, they see that you're a legitimate company. Okay, so that's why your website's important, and you're going to need more than one website. So you're going to need a website for all of the different products that you're going to be promoting. Maybe, maybe not, just depends. Okay, all right, so there are lots of different hosting services out there. I use Skyview Host. Now, I am the owner of Skyview Host. I developed it, I set it all up. It is set up for speed. It's designed for WordPress to make sure you have the fastest and the most reliable service available, and that's Skyview Host. So if you're looking for it, I highly suggest you go to my service, Skyview Host. You'll get support through me. I'll be able to help you, whatever you need from there. Now, there are other ones that are out there, like GoDaddy. There's also HostGator.com, and there's many, many more out there. And there's more coming every day. So you should not have any problems of finding a hosting company. Okay, so now the last part, which is part 2, is what you need is where do you get traffic from? Okay, now I'm going to talk about a little bit different ways that you can get traffic here for your pages. So when you build your funnel, you're going to want to be able to get traffic. Now, obviously, the free way is social media or your blog off of your website. So just doing blogging and posting and YouTube videos all will drive, free traffic from Google to you that you don't have to pay for. Now, the next ones are going to be paid services that you have to pay for, like solo ads. Now, I put my name in there, Jason Gerald, because I actually promote solo ads. I also do it on Udemy. Udemy is a place that people go to buy other people's emails or other people's lists to send traffic to their offer. Usually, it's for the wealth niche. That can be other niches too, but most of the time it's for the wealth niche. And you're going to want to ask the person, is your list more of a wealth niche, how to make money online, or is it more of a product search? You just need to ask each of the sellers doing solo ads of what they sell. Okay, so the next one would be obviously Facebook. You can do Facebook ads. That's targeted ads. You can actually really target a particular segment to say, I want to be able to target everybody that owns a dog in the world. And that's millions and millions of people you could target to. Or you could say, hey, I got a pug. And by the way, I have 2 pugs. But you can actually target anybody that loves pugs. That means you're not sending traffic out there or doing like solo ads. Solo ads, I consider it like a shotgun approach, right? Because you're really not targeted, but it's kind of targeted because it's more for, I would say, how to make money online. But then you're not really knowing who these people are. But through Facebook, you can really target your customer. You can know who they are, who they like, what they like, and target those particular niches. Now, the next one would be YouTube. You could create a video, and it could be a viral video that could go, or it could just be a video that could last for years, and you could make continuing income off of that video every month, every time somebody watches the video, and you put your links below the video that goes to your affiliate offer, just like what I'm talking about with you here right now. All right, Google. You can actually do ads through Google, just like with Facebook, that's really targeted to a specific niche. So, I'm sorry about that. So at that point, that's pretty much it. That's how you do this. Now, I told you at the end of this video, I was going to do a bonus, right? Well, I'm going to have another bonus video for you below here. And it's about how I can actually help build this whole thing for you. Because I gave you the information that you need to do it, but I didn't actually show you how to do it or actually build it for you. So I have an offer for you. A really good offer that you're not going to want to miss, and you're going to want to take this, because I will do all the work for you, meaning I'll set up your hosting, I'll load the WordPress, I'll get your theme set up, I'll get the plugins set up, I'll get you hooked up with Google tagging, and that's key. And so that way there you don't have to pay for all these extra services. Listen, I've paid up to $1,000 to $2,000 to $10,000 to have somebody teach me, handhold me what I need to do in order to build this. And I'm going to be able to do this for you for a small fee. That's it. So, and I'll be able to set that whole thing up with you. And guess what? I'll even set up a one-on-one conversation so that I will show you exactly what I did and that you will be successful. So actually, within a couple of days, you could have your site up and running and making money that same day, within 1 or 2 days from right now. So, hey, but you want to make sure you take advantage of this right now. So just below here, watch that bonus video, because that's going to go through all the detail of what it is that I will offering you and the amount of money it'll be for you, because it's minimal of what you would be able to do if you had to do this all by yourself, because it's a lot of work to set something like this up. I wouldn't say it's a lot of work, but it's some work, but making sure that you do it right and you don't mess up. You know, make sure everything's connected properly and make sure everything's working. That's the hardest part. And you don't want to let technology hold you back from being successful, because you don't want to be driving that 9-to-5 job every day. And you know what I said about a job, right? It's J-O-B. I had to go backwards. J-O-B stands for just over broke. You don't want to trade your time for money, because guess what you run out of when you trade time for money? You run out of time. You get old. Gray hair. So just remember where you want to be for your family, for yourself, and then where you want to be in the next 5 years. How are you going to get there? Do you want to continue doing what you're doing right now? Or do you want to be successful and make yourself wealthy? Make yourself not necessarily wealthy, but having a decent residual income coming in every month, every day, so that you can retire from your job. Guess what my wife does? She's a travel writer. And I want you to go to her website called pulloverandletmeout.com. She's a travel writer, and guess what she does? She's got companies calling her to say, hey, will you write for me? I will pay you if you will write for me. And then she'll write for them, put them in there, and then she's also got, remember me talking about Amazon? She's got Amazon products in there. You click on it, she gets a commission. Pretty cool, huh? You could do that too. It doesn't have to be affiliate marketing. Well, actually, she is doing affiliate marketing, because every time she puts an affiliate link in there, she's getting commission for it. And every time somebody buys something. Just remember, on the internet, nothing is for free. Okay? Nothing is for free. Meaning, in order for you to make money, somebody has to buy something. So you gotta be able to have a product or services that you're going to promote to people to help them be successful. And that's what I'll do for you. I will make you successful if you want to be. All right, look forward to you. Click on the video below, the bonus video, and I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.